Welcome back to Matt's Automotive Milestones. Please subscribe for more automotive history. We have a lot in store. The Baldwin Motion Chevy Vega is a fascinating piece of automotive history that captures the spirit of American muscle cars in the 1970s. When you think of the muscle car era, names like Mustang and Camaro often come to mind. But the Chevy Vega, particularly the Baldwin Motion variant, deserves a spotlight of its own. This car represents not just a unique take on performance, but a bold statement of individuality during a time when the automotive landscape was rapidly changing. The Baldwin Motion team, led by founder Joel Rosen, specialized in modifying performance vehicles and turning them into street-legal beasts. The partnership with Chevrolet, and the Vega specifically, was a bit unconventional. The Vega was originally designed as a compact economy car, aimed at providing affordable transportation. However, Baldwin Motion saw potential in this lightweight platform and decided to transform it into a high-performance machine. The result was a blend of efficiency and raw power that intrigued car enthusiasts everywhere. What makes the Baldwin Motion Chevy Vega particularly special is its heart. Under the hood, these modified Vegas often featured powerful V8 engines, sometimes even supercharged variants, which provided an impressive power-to-weight ratio. This transformation allowed the Vega to compete with larger, more established muscle cars. With the right modifications, a Baldwin Motion Vega could reach impressive speeds, making it a thrilling ride for those lucky enough to own one. But it wasn't just about power. The Baldwin Motion team was known for their attention to detail, offering custom bodywork, unique paint schemes, and performance enhancements that made each car a masterpiece in its own right. The iconic Motion paint jobs, often featuring bold stripes and vibrant colors, set these vehicles apart and turned heads wherever they went. The aesthetics of the Baldwin Motion Vega, combined with its performance capabilities, created a unique allure that appealed to both collectors and racers. During the 1970s, the automotive industry faced numerous challenges, from rising insurance costs for performance cars to stricter emissions regulations. However, the Baldwin Motion Vega managed to carve out a niche for itself, embodying the spirit of rebellion and performance at a time when those traits were under fire. It was a car that dared to be different, standing out in a marketplace increasingly dominated by fuel efficiency and practicality. Today, the Baldwin Motion Chevy Vega is considered a rare gem among collectors, with its limited production numbers and unique modifications. The allure of owning a piece of this history has only grown over the years, as enthusiasts continue to celebrate and preserve these remarkable vehicles. For many, it's not just about the horsepower or the nostalgic feel of the open road. It's about the story behind the car and the legacy of innovation it represents. In conclusion, the Baldwin Motion Chevy Vega is more than just a modified compact car. It's a symbol of an era that embraced power, individuality, and the love of driving. It reminds us that sometimes the most extraordinary creations can emerge from the most unexpected places, and that in the world of automotive passion, there's always room for something a little different. Whether on the drag strip or parked at a car show, the Baldwin Motion Vega continues to inspire and excite, proving that true performance knows no bounds.